Today we have an iPhone 6. You can see the cracks on the screen, missing screws, which might mean it's already been opened, and the camera's missing for some reason. It might still be in there, it might have moved, but we'll get a new screen for that, and I'll grab my tools. New screen, tools, and phone prior. I think that's all we need to get started. I might have a few extra screws for the bottom, but we'll get that opened up and looked at now. These screws are some of the easiest ones to lose when you're repairing something. Just get that one out of there. Put that in the mat. Alright, we need to get this heated up and I'll be back. The iPhone's done cooking. Let's get to prying. We'll attach this to the screen. That will make it slightly easier for us to pull apart. We'll move the screen out the way for the moment. You can wedge our guitar pick in between the screen. Pull up. Being careful of any components that we might hit. That's that side of the screen pulled up. Now we'll go to the other. Side seems a bit more stuck than the other side. That's alright, it's coming out now. There we go. The screen is off. There is our iPhone. These are the screen connector cables in there. Those are the ones that we need to undo. So we'll grab our screwdriver, the magnetic attachment, and we'll get to screwing. This whole mount should come off. There we go. These are our screen connectors here. There is on the new screen 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be 4 here as well. Unclip those. 1, 2. I'll use this screen as a test screen for future repairs as well. Oh, here we go. And one more. One more. There we go. Oh, wrong one. Alright, there's our old screen. We can put that to the side for the, actually, we need that for the Touch ID. We can put this phone to the side for the moment. Now, the Touch ID we have to be very careful with this, or we could lose Touch ID on the new phone. So, we'll be extra careful now. Alright, that bracket should come off now. There we go, that's our Touch ID sensor right under there. That's the part that we need to get out. As you can see, there's a tiny little cable holding it on. That if we damage that cable, the whole Touch ID on the new screen will be gone. So let's be extra careful when we take this off. Normally, you can unclip it from here. We use one of our blue tools. Flip that up, that one's off. Now we'll turn the screen over. Carefully push the Touch ID out. Make sure it comes to the other side. Now pull gently. And there we go. Our Touch ID sensor. We no longer need this screen, so we'll put that away. But that's our Touch ID. We'll bring the old phone back. We'll grab our new screen and we'll start putting these components on. we go, not too tight. Now, next thing is attaching this to the new phone. This part might be a bit difficult, so we'll start by lining up our phone screen, sitting it on the top, and start clipping down all these connectors. Very careful, because we do not want to damage a single thing here. Clip that in, clip the second one in, clip the third one in, clip the fourth one. Here we go. Alright, now we'll see if the new screen works. That is successful. We have a working new screen. Every part of this new screen works just like it should. We will get this mounted up now. Put this bracket back on. We're ready to close up the iPhone. So let's check the screen one more time, see that everything works. Perfect. Perfect. Look at that. Everything works. We tested the Touch ID before. Let's give it another go. Add a fingerprint. There we go. Touch ID works. Cancel that. Close this. And we're ready to screw the bottom screws back in. We need to first grab the screen, tuck it under the top of the phone, then we can connect it down the sides all the way until the bottom. Being very careful here, do not want to damage it at the very last section here. It's being a bit stubborn, so give it a little bit of help from both sides. There we go, clipped in. All ready to put the screws back in. We'll go, we'll screw this in, screw that all the way in, and now we have two screws down the bottom. This is the iPhone 6 that we've just fixed. Screen fully functional, every part of it. Brightness should work as well. Everything works like it should. The volume. Do the notification button, the silent. Everything works, off and on. There we go, that's the iPhone 6. See you in the next video. Make sure to check out my YouTube short.